Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are making a tutorial on how to make graphs in MATLAB. So for that, we have already discussed how to load data in a MATLAB. So the data file that is loaded in MATLAB is the data on the coronavirus cases for the case of Pakistan. So these are few variables that are shown in the sheet. So the fastest way is to make graphs is to first of all select a variable like this and then go in plots, and you will see all the plot templates that you want to draw. So since it's a time series data, so you need to do is you need to find the line plots and select the appropriate line plot. So when you do this plot and you double click it, it will write the command itself. So the command is plot data file name dot variable name. So it will draw the graph. So you can zoom it in, and if you want you can add a X label, Y label, title, legend. So you can edit the graph if you want. So for example, if I want to add a title, so it will open up here. So total pieces of COVID ID 19 in Pakistan. This way you can make the time series charts. And let me show you one more. So if you want to do an histogram, double click it. So the command is simple, you can do it using commands. So when you have this graph, if you want to download it, just go here. So in this is a copy as an image button, and you press copy it and you can just paste it in your Microsoft Office Word file, or you can just download it as a, if you want, any format. So it can be stored as JPG, TIF, PDF, and PNG. So this way you can draw graphs in MATLAB. So if you want to do a double graph, so what I will do is I will select two variables, then I will go in plot. So it will show me. So it's actually one variable on x-axis and another on y. So it's so rather than using a line plot, it should be a scatter plot. So if I do a scatter, so it showed me a scatter plot. So the command is scatter first variable comma second variable. This way you can make graphs in your MATLAB platform. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe and like our channel.